Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. This is the introductory video on Linux operating system. Here we are going to understand what is operating system, who was invented a Linux operating system, which operating system was the first operating system. So these are the basically basic stuff and also we'll see what's the benefit of Linux operating system. Why should learn Linux operating system? These are the stuff we are going to explore. Yeah. So let's start. So first of all, we'll see what is an operating system. Yeah. So every time you switch on your computer, you see a screen where you can perform different activities like browsing the internet or watching a video. What is it, right? That makes your hardware works like that. How does the processor on your computer know what are asking to run a mp3 file or mp4 files, etc., right? Well, it is the operating system or the kernel which does this work. A kernel is a program at the heart of any operating system that takes care of fundamental stuff like letting hardware communicate with software. So to work on your computer, you need an operating system, right? In fact, you are watching this video on your computer. Now you may have used popular operating system like Windows, Apple OS, but here we will learn what Linux is and what benefit it offers over other operating system choices. Yeah. Now, next question, what is Linux? Well, Linux is an operating system or a kernel. It is distributed an open source license. Its functionalities are quite similar to Unix operating system. Yeah. So from definition, it is very much clear. It is an operating system which is completely uh, um, free of cost, right? This is completely open source and free. Now, next question, who created Linux? Linux is an operating system or a kernel which germinated an idea in the mind of young and bright, a student whose name was Linus Torvalds. When he was a computer science student, he used to work on Unix operating system, which is a kind of proprietary operating system. Means that's the basically commercial version only provides Unix operating system, and thought it is needed some improvements, right? However, when his suggestions was rejected by the designers of Unix, he thought of launching an operating system which will be receptive to changes, modifications suggested by its users. And from there, basically this idea was germinated, right? Now, next question comes in mind, the benefits of using Linux, right? Unless you do not know the benefits of using something, you will not learn, right? So the main advantage of Linux was that programmers were able to use Linux kernel to design their own custom operating systems. The Linux is one of the most popular and widely used kernel, and it is the backbone of popular operating system like Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, etc. Nevertheless, the list does not end here. There are thousands of operating systems based on the Linux, which offers a variety of functions to the users, right? Linux now enjoys popularity at its prime, and it's famous among programmers as well as regular computer users around the world. Its main advantages are, first of all, it offers a free operating system. You do not have to spend hundreds of dollars to get the operating system like Windows. This is the first advantage. It is completely free. Now, being open source, anyone with programming knowledge can modify it as per their need, right? So if you have some programming knowledge, then you can download the source code of a Linux operating system and you can tweak or you can modify as per your requirement or need. Now, next benefit says uh, the Linux operating system now offers millions of programs application to choose from. Most of them are free, and that's the reason. Basically, this is also an advantage of using Linux. So a lot of programs or applications or software you can install on Linux which is completely free. Now, once you install Linux, no longer need an antivirus because Linux is highly secure system. There is a global development community constantly looking at ways to enhance its security. With each upgrade, the OS becomes more robust and secure, right? So once you install Linux on in your system, right, then on the time to time basis, just you need to update it, right? So that you will be completely not afraid with the viruses and all. Now let's talk about the next benefit. Linux is the OS of choice for server environment due to its stability and reliability. Mega companies like Amazon, Facebook, and Google use Linux for their servers. A Linux-based servers could run non-stop without reboot for years. That's the reason. It is not only using as a desktop application, but as a server application as well. Now, last but not the least, we'll talk about one of the very important question. I'm asked to learn Unix. Then why Linux? Right? This is very well. If you have asked to learn Unix, then why I should go for the Linux again? Well, so as you know, Unix is called the mother of operating system, which laid out the foundation to Linux. Unix design mainly used for mainframes, enterprises, and universities, while Linux is fast becoming a household name for computer users, developers, server environment. You may have to pay for a Unix kernel, while Linux is absolutely free, right? The commands used on the both the operating systems are usually the same. There is not much difference between Unix and Linux. Since Linux is the clone of Unix, so learning one is same as learning another. And that should be the good reason to learn. If you know Unix, then you can easily learn Linux as well, right? So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. Guys, big thank you for watching this video and see you there in the next video tutorial.